Hey big kids and small kids, we're gonna break stuff. I mean, we're gonna play with toys. And so this is the do not do this at home segment of toy collecting. We have a small boat, we have a Wolverine, we have a good looking Arnold boat, we have the humongous Arnold ship. So stay tuned, let's see what happens when we float test them. All right, we have float test number 1. Arnold ship. I'm gonna have to hold the prop. Wind it, wind it, wind it, wind it, wind it. Try not to break it. Put it in a circle. See what happens. That ain't so bad. Check it out, kids. Okay, we got our budget ship. Aircraft Carrier 52. You ready? There goes the missile. That's what we get. Now we got the SS Wolverine. Let's check it out. Wind, 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 wind. Nice little sunbathers on the deck. But more importantly, how well does it sail? Look at that. Look at it go. We may have a winner. All right, we now have our German ship. Wind, wind, wind. Now this would be a double challenge. Double prop challenge. Check it out. Not too shabby. Did an admirable job, but the prop got stuck. Still quite a big toy.